Let's take a look at an example of liquidating a partnership. Number 5 on our exercises. Sam, Bart, and Lex are dissolving their partnership. Their partnership agreement allocates each partner 1/3 of all income and losses. The current period's ending capital account balance are Sam, $45,000. There he is. Bart, $37,000. There it is. And Lex, minus $5,000. So we know how this happened. He could have taken more money out than he should have. We could have had losses that were charged to his capital account. Could have been a combination. But at any rate, we're trying to call the whole thing off, and Lex has a negative balance. So all assets are sold, liabilities paid, and we got $77,000 sitting around. So the question becomes, what do we do at this point? Well, we have to do something about Lex. He can't be negative. We have two choices, right? Choice 1, we give him a little ringy-dingy and say, Lex, my friend, your negative capital, can you please give us the $5,000? It's a yes or no question. In this case, we're told that Lex doesn't have the $5,000, so he can't pay. We still have to get Lex off the books, though. So we have to do it through the magic of accounting. We have to zero Lex out. So to do that, I better debit, or rather credit his account for $5,000. There it is. Lex is gone. Balance is 0. Okay, better debit something for $5,000 then, huh? Well, not going to debit cash. Who has to absorb the impact of his capital account? Must be Sam and Bart. How much do we each get? Well, we were told that the partnership agreement was a third, a third, a third. Well, one of those thirds is gone, so the other two get a third each, so they must share it equally. So we're going to, if we credited Lex capital, we better go up here. 2,500 gets charged to Sam, and 2,500 gets charged to Bart. Hey, what's the balance now? The balance in Sam's account is $42,500. The balance in Bart's account is $34,500. Let's call the whole thing off. We're going to debit Sam for $42,500. We're going to credit Bart for $34,500. And that's total of $77,000 we distribute. $42,500 to Sam, $34,500 to Bart. And the partnership is liquidated. Simple enough.